Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff, guys. Hi everyone, and for today guys, we will do makeup tutorials. Surprising, just kidding. But today guys, I will do only half tutorials guys, because I will use a mask guys. Don't worry guys, this one is already old. I had it I think last year. I got two of them, and then I think I'm sick or something, I'm not sure, but I grabbed two of them, and then I saw this on my backpack and I said, oh, I still have a mask. But I know guys, it's I think it's requirements that you you are required to wear mask now when you go to like Costco or Sam's Club. But I don't know about the rest of groceries, if they required you to wear masks. But since usually we went to Costco, but it's been like what, months now that we never went there. So I know this challenge is not new anymore guys. I saw a lot of people are doing it, but I want to have my own takeaway from it guys. So yeah, so I'm only gonna do half. I only gonna do my eyes guys, and maybe I'll put foundation too guys. So, and for today guys, we are gonna use Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson's Conspiracy palette guys, and that is the cover guys. Because my husband, if you want to see the unboxing of this one guys, check out the links below. I will put it down. When my husband did my makeup, I think. So if you want to check that out too guys, it's very funny. If you want to check the unboxing of this guys. And yeah, I'll talk too much guys, and we gonna do only one eyes guys and do the other on cam guys, so it's not gonna take so long. So I'll be back guys. Okay guys, since Tanacon is very light guys, so I dipped to dye root beer guys. So I'm gonna do that, and just put whenever I put the eyeshadow guys. So yeah, it's the same where I put the Tanacon guys, it's all over it. So guys, that's the net effect, but it's a little bit muddy in here. I don't know why. So let's go back to diet root beer. Root beer. So let's put that on the top. I don't know why it's, sorry. It's gonna be a dramatic look guys. You wanna be extra? There you go. So let's do cut crease guys, and you know how to do cut crease guys, so I'll do that off the cam guys, the cut crease, because you always see that I do it. So I'll be back. Okay guys, we are done cut crease, and we are gonna proceed to the other eyeshadow guys. This is so pigmented guys, the glitters. Oh, did you see that? I didn't even wet my brush guys. beautiful. Okay, let's go back to net effect, guys, and let's fix all of that. Sometimes it's kind of have like weird color, but I will use a little bit small brush, guys, like this, to net effect. Fact. I don't know how to say that. Let's proceed to the other eye, guys, and I'll be back. Or let's say magic. Eyes is done, guys, so let's proceed to the face. And I'm using Pixie Glow Mist, guys, just to have a little bit to have a little glow, guys. So, and for primer, guys, I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Centering Citrus. So a lot of spray. And for foundation, guys, I'm gonna use Maybelline New York up to 24 hours foundation in natural beige, guys, 220. And of course, I'm gonna mix it with Bare Minerals, guys. So yep. Holy cow, that's a lot of foundation, guys. I'll be back. And for concealer, guys, I'm gonna use Clinique and 02 Light. I don't know why I stopped using this one, but let's see, guys. Think positive. Okay, guys, let's finish my eyes, and we're almost done. And that's it, guys. We are done with our eyes, and we are ready to put our mask, guys. I'll be back. This is our look for conspiracy, guys. And I know if you want a bit extra, you can do it, guys. Why not, right? You go to grocery shopping with your snatch eyes, guys. Why not coconut? Guys, so I know there's like there's a lot of different kinds of masks, right, guys? Like I saw like a SpongeBob or whatever graphics. Maybe you can like relate your makeup to it. Why not? Like, I want to see beautiful eyeshadow with a mask on, guys. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching, guys, and please be safe. And I know it's we wanted to stay home, but we can't because we have to go back to work or go to the groceries, guys. But please be safe, and always remember that there's always someone loves you, guys. Shalom.